Good evening and welcome to the UAE Business Online session. I am delighted to be here and to be able to thank Francois van Schalkwyk, my Silver Presidential, for this opportunity to share with you this incredible technology from a company that offers hope, health, and so much more. And now we are going to take a look at the wonderful company and products that people are talking about. What would it take for you to choose health and wellness? Well, that's what Mannatech is about, health and wellness. Mannatech itself was founded in 1994. It operates in 31 markets, and millions have been invested in the research and development of what we are able to take in. Those products that you were listening and hearing about, that's where the investment has been. There are over 143 patents awarded, and it has been tested on people, not on rats and mice and other animals. Also, there's a lot of scientific validation, and around the purity and quality, they are part of the Mannatech's stock exchange. They are Mannatech's on the stock exchange, the NASDAQ stock exchange, and here they get audited on a regular basis. This gives you the integrity of the company and to understand what it's about, what it stands for. Please remember, like we get to put on our plate a protein, a vegetable, a green and a yellow and an orange and all those things, our company has looked at one product doesn't fix all. The wonderful thing as well is you have absolutely no requirement to be a wellness practitioner of any sort, because what we have here is intelligent supplementation. What it does is your body is able to use it, absorb it, and then the body goes and sorts itself out. And that is what the products support. So what does being healthy mean to you? When you're 10 years old, you don't even have a clue of what health is. At 20, you are looking for your life calling. At 30, people are looking for security first, working. And let me tell you, you really require the products here to sustain the pace. Some people do. At 40, we're starting to explore you know what, one day maybe I'll get older and my joints will creak a bit. What can I take? What is available? And people, this is definitely the best on audited studies, on human placebo-controlled research. And then we hit our 50s. The body's shifting and changing. What can I do about it? And at 60, well, it's never too late to get to supplement and to take care of ourselves. Remember that wellness is the gift you give yourself, and the supplementation is what makes the difference. So how does this work? Well, on our cells, they get to speak to each other, and there are little glycans missing from it. They are called different things, and they talk to each other. They allow the electric supply of our body to talk to each other. And in common terms, they're called sugars because of the way they are put together. Yes, people with blood sugar challenges can use it because it is not table sugar. There's absolutely a total reverse away from table sugar. What this does is it allows your body to communicate with itself. So welcome to the world of glycan technology. What they do is they help your body with its biological processes, and the first one is the ambritose technology. What they do is it really impacts that cellular communication, and it tells your body where things are maybe requiring a little bit of beefing up, destroying and replacing, and what is a friend and what is an enemy, because this is what is missing from our food due to farming practices, the way the soil is taken care of, and a whole host of factors. Junk food also plays a part here, and that's a personal point of view. Mannatech is the only company with true ACE mannan and has absolute beautiful exclusive partnership with a natural aloe company in Costa Rica, and it's grown in the most incredible soil, the best climate, and it's hand harvested. There's no heat, no enzymes, no charcoal, no additives, and no preservatives. So in other words, your body gets it hot off the aloe in cool form. It also, the company keeps up with the research and development and allows us to know that our Ambrotose has the best Daltons available. And go and ask the person who invited you about that. They will explain that. We don't have time at this platform to go into that. So the Ambrotose complex is the flagship of the company. And what this does is it supports cellular communication, improves cognitive functioning, concentration and memory, and definitely improves mood and decreases irritability. It supports our immune function, digestive function, and so much more. Basically, we can sum it up in saying the body is able to support itself. The antioxidant was tested in human blood with a human serum. And what they discovered is you cannot just mix up antioxidants. They tend to be a challenge. Ours has the correct blend, the correct dosage, and works to help stop that rust that happens. Now, people, when our bodies are healing, they require food. They require something to help the body to restore itself. And this is where the phytomatrix or catalyst comes in, because we require minerals, we require vitamins, and a whole host of other things that are in plants. So what the catalyst and the phytomatrix is it empowers our body to feed itself in an absorbable, effective form. With this, now this is one of my top favorite products. Plus supports our endocrine system. So it supports your sleep, it supports your digestion, it supports your feel-good hormones, it supports your gut, and it supports all of our reproductive hormones. It supports the hormones that keep us looking and feeling young and youthful. And people, it's for men as well as for women, because it contains the amino acid glycine, glutamic acid, lysine, and arginine for the best protein synthesis and support. And because of the plant sterol and wild yam, which is sustainably sourced and absorbable by your body, you are able to look younger, feel younger, and stay away from being grumpy and bad-tempered. So men and women and younger adults can do with it. The omega-3 contains vitamin D3. It is also from a sustainable source. And people, the way it is put in that capsule is pure and basically beneficial for your body. I love what Plus and Omega do together for conditions that the body feels a little bit inflamed and angry about life. It makes an incredible difference. What this does is it also helps to support a wonderful and incredible social entrepreneurship campaign developed by Mannatech called Mission 5 Million, where every time we place a significant order, about 1,500 rand, I don't know what it would be in the UAE, a child gets fed for a month. So not only are we helping ourselves, we are also helping children. And that for me really made such a difference, knowing that as I help myself, I'm able to help others. Remember, when you start today, you start with the basics, you start with the best, because it's your time to shine.